Quiz in Moodle actually has two completely separate aspects to it. You have the activity created, and that is done as one aspect. The second is your question bank. So if you hover or click on settings in your course administration, you will see the question bank. I'm going to go back and click on my question bank and click import. Now the question bank in itself, you can add one question at a time. It's a little labor intensive. If you use that TXT file format, you can add as many questions as you like at once. Alright, so I went to Settings, Question Bank, and Import, which brought me to this screen. Click on Gift Format, scroll down, and click on Choose a File. Browse for that TXT file that you created earlier, and open and upload. This is going to bring all of your questions, as many as you may have there, in at once. Click on Import. This screen shows you that these are the three questions that have been brought in at once. You can click Continue, but really what we need to do is click on the breadcrumbs and go back to your course. And now click on your quiz. And we have to edit the quiz because we haven't yet added any questions. Click on Edit Quiz, and you will see all of your new questions appeared in your question list. So I'm going to pick 3 questions that I want in my quiz. You'll have a better view of this in your regular expanded screen. I have it minimized so that our video is a little bit smaller. Once I've clicked on the questions, if I scroll up if I click on Add to Quiz, we'll see that they're going to pop in. That's the way the students will see them. Click on Save. When it finishes saving, you'll see that your questions have been added to the quiz. You can save each one separately if you want, but it's not necessary. If you just hit the Save button at the top, it should save all 3. And if I now go back to my course, and I'm going to change my role by going over to the side and saying Switch My Role to the student role, so I can see exactly what my students are seeing. I'll click on Training Quiz, and I can attempt the quiz. First question pops right up. This is a really handy tool for pre-assessment, and especially after the first year. The first year of building up that question bank may take you a little time and effort, but once those questions are there, you can rearrange them throughout the year as necessary. You can use it as a pre and post test using the same questions if you like. Check for understanding, use it as a review for students. Moodle Quiz is just a great interactive tool.